In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work with pages. First of all, what are pages? A page is an area on your site where you can display any sort of content such as images, videos, or text, or a combination of all of that sort of content. Some of the most important or the most common pages on your website are the home page, the about page, and the contact us page. Pages can be hierarchical in nature. Pages can have a hierarchy, right? This means you can have a main page and a sub page. You can create a parent page and then create a sub page under the parent page. And there is no limit to the number of pages you can create in your WordPress website. And again, even though pages are meant to display static content, that is content that doesn't change that often, but you can still update or edit the content of your pages as many times as you want. And also, you can assign any static page on your WordPress website as the home page and then set a different page for your blog post. We are going to cover all of this practically so you can see. First of all, let me show you how to create pages. So to create a page, you will have to log into your WordPress website. You have to log into the dashboard of your WordPress website and point to pages. Then click add new. Alternatively, you can point to the plus sign here and click page. So whichever option you choose is going to take you to the page creation. So here a page is being added. Good. So the first thing you have to do here is to add the title of your page. Let's say this is your page title. So once you enter the page title, click publish, and the page will be published and become live on the internet. Simple as that. You've published a page. You can now preview this page to see how it will look. This is the page you just created and published. My first page with basically no other content on the page. So now in WordPress, you can use different page builders to build or edit your page. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to work with the default WordPress page builder. Subsequently, we can talk about other page builders. But for the purpose of this lesson and this tutorial, we are going to work with a default WordPress page builder known as Gutenberg. So Gutenberg is a WordPress page builder that works with blocks. You know, it comprises a series of blocks which you can use to build any kind of page and create any kind of content. So once you've created a page, you can use blocks to build your page depending on the sort of page you want to build. So to add content to this page, you have to click the plus sign here in the page edit window. So you either click the plus sign here to open up a series of blocks, or you can browse the blocks gallery from here. If you click here, it's going to open up a list of the available blocks. So this what if there are several blocks for several purposes. If you want to add a container where you'll be able to add other content inside of it, you're going to use this. If you want to add a heading, this is the heading block you're going to choose. If you want to add an image, you're going to choose this. If you want to add a button, if you want to add an info box, if you want to add a call to action, there are different kinds of blocks. You can scroll down to see all the different kinds of blocks for different purposes. So let's say we want to add, let's say we want to add text. If you want to add text, you can simply just enter text here. You can enter your paragraph text there. Good. You want to update. If you want to update your page, you simply just click the update button. Your page will be updated, and when you view the front end of your page is going to contain the information you just included. So if you want to edit the page, you go back to the page edit window and add another content, right? If you press the enter button, it's going to take you to the next block. So you can change the block from here or here. If you want to add images, you can choose the image block. So once you choose the image block, it's going to let you import an image from your computer or your image library, or even enter a different URL and insert your image. Let's import an image from our computer. So you will have to click upload and choose the folder that contains your image and import the image. Import the image. That is that. So you can align the image. You can adjust this image. You can drag to adjust it, reduce it to your preferred size. So once you're done, update it. As simple as that. So by the time you go to preview this page, you'll see that the page contains your image. So that is how to create a page basically. So any page, any content you want to add to this page, you just need to choose a block from here. You can search for any block from here or browse to see all available blocks that you can choose from. Let's say I want to add a button. So any block you don't want, you can delete it. Clicking on the block, clicking the three buttons there, three dots there, and remove. Click remove is going to remove the block you don't want. Okay, so basically that is that. That is that. You can add as many blocks as you want. So that is how to create a page. You can use blocks to to build your page and have any sort of content you want. There is literally a block for anything. So once you're done, click update. And if you want to go back to your dashboard, click the WordPress logo here. It's going to take you to the list of pages published. So here you can see the page you just created, my first page, among the other pages here. So any of these pages you don't want on your website, you can delete it. Let's say this. Let's say I don't want this page. I can simply point to the page and click trash. So if I want to delete a combination of pages, I can simply just check. Let's say I don't want this page. I can select the pages I don't want. Come here and click move to trash, apply. It's going to move those pages to the trash. So you have the pages you want here. Any one of these pages you want to edit, you can or you can simply click on the page. So if you click on any of these pages, it's going to open the page edit window, which will let you edit any content on that page. So the home page we just clicked on is open. You can edit it. Let's say you want to customize this page. You can edit this to your name and customize this to suit your purpose. You can change this picture and make it your own. or leave it. You can change it and add your own picture if you want. So it all depends on what you want. So you can create your own, add your own content here. You can change these images to your own by replacing them. So you can literally edit any content on this page. So once you're done editing, click update. So after updating a page, good, you can preview the page to see what it looks like. You see that this page is taking the shape you want. The content you added is reflecting here. So that's how to edit a page. So now that you finished editing the page, you can go back to your WordPress dashboard if you want and do other stuff. So that is how to create pages, edit pages, and delete pages. So in the next lesson, we're going to be talking about how to create and edit posts.